Hello friends, welcome back to Tasty Bites. Today, let's talk about one of the most loved and juicy fruits, grapes. They're small, sweet, and packed with powerful health benefits. Grapes come in different colors, green, red, and black. Not only are they delicious, but they're also loaded with important nutrients. Grapes are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants that help protect our body from damage. One of the most powerful antioxidants in grapes is called resveratrol. It is known to support heart health, improve blood flow, and may even slow down aging. That's why grapes are often called a superfruit. Eating grapes regularly can also boost your immunity, keep your skin glowing, and improve digestion because they contain fiber and natural hydration. They're about 80% water, making them the perfect fruit to keep you refreshed in hot weather. Another amazing fact is that grapes are not just eaten fresh. They can be enjoyed as raisins, grape juice, and even wine. This makes grapes one of the most versatile fruits in the world. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, grab a handful of grapes. They're tasty, refreshing, and full of goodness for your body. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tasty Bites for more healthy and tasty food videos.